Welcome back everyone. So today we're going to be installing this first part that came in. It is a cone air filter. Okay, so these are all the parts that come in the box. The bolts right there. No instructions, so we're going to wing it, but it should be pretty easy. First thing we're going to do is remove the old intake. So this has taken me a while to figure out exactly how to set everything up. So I'm going to show you guys really quick. The three brackets that came in. This is the rear bracket that will connect to these two upper holes. Then that middle bracket. And the outer one, which will, and this outer one, which to these screws, you'll connect this filter. You also have two hoses. The bottom one right here connects to this plastic little L-shaped plastic tube that they provide you, and then this hose will connect. There's another hole right here. Hope you guys can see. Sorry, you know, lighting's really bad. It's kind of getting late. You'll bolt it in with one of the bolts that they provide, which is a small one. And then everything, you use your OEM gasket to connect to the carburetor, and it all hooks up like that. Okay, so I'm finally done installing the intake, and this is how it looks. Sorry for the bad lighting, it's pretty late. So yeah, so that's where the hoses connect. I hope you guys can see. And then that hose is right there, and that's how it all fits. Eventually I'm going to want to test it versus a hypercharger. I've read that hyperchargers give better performance, but I want to see if you can actually tell the difference while driving it. Not by numbers, but just by the way that it feels. I'm also going to be fixing this exhaust. I did take off the mufflers, and I had to put the intake on before mocking up the exhaust, because I'm planning to make the exhaust, this pipe turn from here and drop down, and then this one drop down like this as well, and they'd be about that low. Yeah, that's roughly what I'm planning on for right now. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good night.